Hello everyone, I am Kronal Patil, roll number 3327, and this is assignment number 4, ultrasonic sensor. What we do here is we first get the Arduino Uno. We can get this by typing Arduino here and dropping that in the screen. Also, I have taken one ultrasonic distance sensor. What it does is it measures the distance of any object which is present in front of it. And also I have taken one circuit board, breadboard, and placed one LED over there and a resistor. And then the connection part, the ground of Arduino Uno is connected to the ground of one end of the LED is connected to resistor and then thereby connected to ground. The 5-volt supply is connected to the ultrasonic sensor. The signal of ultrasonic sensor is connected to pin number 7 of the Arduino, and the ground of ultrasonic sensor is connected to ground of Arduino Uno. So this is the basic circuit, and also pin number 13 of Arduino is connected to one end of the LED light. Now coming back to the code section, what we do here is, as we have used pin number 3 and pin number 13, so we declare it in that way, that pin is 7 and LED pin is 13. Then we for output purpose we need output in LED, so we put output in the LED pin and run the loop. Inside the loop I have created two variables, duration and centimeter. What duration does is it stores the how much time the object is taking to get the rays from ultrasonic sensor, and based on that duration we can actually convert it into distance and store it in distance cm variable. So what we initially do is we insert output in the pin pin, as we need output for the first time, and to make the stream clear we first pass low signal to the pin pin, and for a duration of 200 microseconds, and then we output the high signal to pin pin, and after that what happens is we wait for a delay of 500 microseconds, so a high signal is being sent continuously, and then we send low signal and we actually stop the sensor, stop this high signal. So what it does is the high signal goes to the object, and after that it will retract. So whenever it retracts we need to get that signal and store it in the pin. So the pin which was initially giving the output is will be now taking the input from the retracted rays, and whatever duration it took up till now, that we will store in the duration part using the pulse in function, and then convert that duration to centimeter distance by dividing by 29 into 2, and then we print the distance in the serial monitor, and also the distance is being printed, and if the distance is less than 100, then what we do is we glow the LED by passing high signal to LED pin, else we do not glow it by passing low signal. And if we pass the simulation now, what it will do is we have started the simulation, and when we and now the circuit Arduino Uno is on, and we also switch on the Arduino ultrasonic sensor. Object is present at 210 centimeter distance, so the LED is not blown. We can see the distance here, 210. As we move the distance object closer, and if it is less than 100, then the LED starts glowing. As we can see right now it is 80 and LED is glowing. If we bring it just less than 98, and LED will then glow, and if taken apart from 100, then it will not glow. So by this way ultrasonic sensor was able to detect the object in front of it up to a limit, and we can even increase that limit and in the condition. So this was the fourth experiment, ultrasonic sensor. Thank you.